Looking at the performance for the petrol versions of the Mark IV Golf, you can see they range from the 1.4 litre with 75 brake horsepower through the 1.6 litre with 102 or 105, depending whether it's a 8 valve or 16 valve engine, through to the 2 litre GTI with 115 brake horsepower, the 1.8 litre turbo GTI with 150, the 2.3 litre 170 brake horsepower V5, and finally the 2.8 litre 204 brake horsepower V6 4Motion. The 0 to 60 speeds range from 14 seconds for the 1.4, 12.7 for the 8 valve 1600, 10.8 for the 1.6 litre 16 valve, 10.5 for the 2 litre GTI, 8.5 for the 1.8 litre turbo GTI, and 8.2 for the V5 2.3 litre. And finally, the V6 2.8 litre has a 0 to 60 or 7.1 seconds.